Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, that reading may answer some questions or clear some doubts you may have. So you can watch that reading, Sagittarius. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Whips, Stork and Snake. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are thinking about something or you are quite obsessed over something you need to do. Maybe you have some plans for your career, you are working towards that obsessively, doing it again and again, making relentless efforts. So Sagittarius, you need to think whether these efforts are really paying off or these efforts are worthwhile. Is it taking you towards the expected changes in your life, expected future about in your career? So just working hard, making efforts, trying to achieve something, it should be it is something really stressing you, making you anxious, and people are quite worried about you, about your obsessiveness. So if you want to make some changes, you must first think for yourself whether the way you are doing things is really helpful. It may be your obsession about something, or it may be some addictions you have, some addictive habits that is really pulling you down. It is working against you. So you are close to some person. This person may look like your friend or a family member. It may be your energy in your career or in your relationship. Maybe you feel that they are a good friend of yours and you are listening to them, but in truth their intentions are not good. They may have certain things against you. They may they are not telling you the complete truth. They are here with you for some reason, something. So they are here trying to use you, use your skills or talents, use you financially. That is the reason they are here with you in your life. This may be the person you love, or this may be someone close to you, your family member, and they are working against you. They are secretly working against you. They have another face. You are not aware. You are not aware of their truth. So you must be very careful. Maybe it may be your person you are in relationship with, or it may be someone close to you. It may be your sibling or a friend, a family member. So you need to be careful. But Sagittarius, I see that good luck is also here. So maybe for some of you, you will get clarity. Your troubles will resolve. This is a very positive card, Stock. So there is a good news or There is something positive happening today, changing the way things are going in your relationship and in your work circumstances. So we will see what is the card for your relationship, in particular Rider. Again, it's a very lucky card. So good luck is helping you today, whatever troubles you're facing. Maybe your efforts or whatever hard work you are doing, your situation is definitely changing for the better, Sagittarius. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ship. So in your work circumstances, you must think in a different way, do things in a different way. That is going to help you. Maybe you must change your ways, old ways of doing things, old ways of handling your circumstances. So when you change, your circumstances are also going to change for the better, Sagittarius. So that is the reading here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself. And maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos Green Quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz. guys. And with this quotes, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So, this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So, being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.